Hi everyone, in today's video, I will show you how to download and install Microsoft Office entirely for free. This is not piracy and is completely legal. Before we begin, let's create a new folder on the desktop to keep things organized and consistent. I would name it Office 2024. With that out of the way, open your browser and search for Office customization tools. Click the first option. Choose your architecture. I will choose 64-bit since I'm on Windows 11. Choose the product you want to install. We are going to install Office LTSC Professional Plus. Under Apps, select apps you want to include or exclude. I will deselect Publisher. Click Next. Select your primary language. I will choose English US and click Next. Leave the settings at default under Installation and click Next. Under Update and Upgrade, scroll down and disable or install any MSI versions of Office, including Visual and Project. Keep licensing as it is and click Next. Under General, leave everything blank and click Next. Under Application Preferences, leave everything as it is, scroll way down and click Finish. Confirm all the configure settings and click Export. Choose Office XML format and click OK. Accept the terms in a license agreement. We have the file name as configuration. You can change that if you choose to. We'll leave it as it is. Click Export. Next, open a new tab and search for Office Deployment Tools. Click the first option and click Download. Move the configuration file in the Office 2024 folder. Right-click the application and choose Run as Administrator. Click Yes. Save it in the Office 2024 folder. Now, cut and paste the Office 2024 folder to C drive. Double-click to open and copy the path. Tap CMD in the search box and choose Run as Administrator. Tap CD space and paste the Office 2024 path in here. Hit Enter. We are now in the Office 2024 folder. Tap Setup / Configure configuration.xml. Hit Enter. The download and installation have started and will take some time, so hang in tight. Now the installation is complete. We have successfully installed Office LTSC Professional Plus 2024. Open any of the Office application. As you can see, it's working properly and fine. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. If you run into any issues during installation, feel free to leave a comment, and I'll be happy to assist.